Hi everybody, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab. This video is created for Automate January 2026 challenge presented in Pabbly Connect Facebook group. So today's video, we are going to see Datalab.to's OCR model available via Replicate and my custom app created for the same inside Pabbly Connect. In case you want to get that custom app, you can go to my store called store.integrationlab.in and you can get this $15 custom app which will give you access to more than 16 AI image generation model or OCR models in total, right? If you want to first use the OCR model yourself before buying my custom app, go ahead and go to replicate.com/datalab-to/OCR, right? And why I like this OCR model over OpenAI or other things, because the number of pages you can do OCR on is much higher. The cost is very cheap, and the number of languages is very high as well. And yeah, you can like OCR 500 pages for $1. Also, the number of languages is 90, which is I think so 50 or 60 for OpenAI, right? I also compared it with DeepSeek OCR, and I found this one much better. DeepSeek OCR is also available on Replicate, but not on my custom app. In case somebody wants that, let me know. I can add that as well after you make the purchase of my custom app. So yeah, this is the model that we are going to see today, basically, right? So let me show you how I have set it up. Basically, I have set it up via Telegram channel. So I have already created a channel. In case you don't know how to create a channel, you can watch Pabbly Connect's YouTube channel for that. They have many videos on how to use channel as a trigger inside Pabbly Connect workflow, right? So what I have planned is that whenever I post an image in here, it should give me the whole text out of that particular image, right? Like this. Or if there is multilingual uh, box or text box or let's say banner or something, it should give me that as well. Okay, so this is the whole use case that we want to achieve. Now let me go to the Pabbly Connect workflow. So this is Pabbly Connect version builder version 2, which is much more visual compared to v1 builder. Now Telegram bot will be the trigger. One thing you need to make sure is that you capture the response with advance turned off. Why? Because you need to capture the file in an array format, so we can basically then filter it that it exists, that file array exists. Also, the code module will give you the highest resolution files ID. Okay, when you put any image inside Telegram channel, it generates multiple version of that particular image, right? We only want the highest one. So this is the code that will do that. I will share the whole workflow with you guys as well. But again, in order to use this whole workflow, first you need to purchase this Replicate custom app from my store. And once you purchase it, you will be able to find it in actions in any of your workflows. Okay, if you don't find it, feel free to message me, or before that you should just try to refresh the workflow page one time. Okay, so once the code module is done, that will give me the ID of that particular file, something like this, a long ID. It's not a short one, right? Then we go to Telegram bot action called get file. Okay, this is the thing. Don't worry, guys. I am going to delete this anyway, so you won't be able to use this particular channel or anything like that. Okay, so close. Then replicate image, and here you can basically use this app. The action that you need to select is called Datalab OCR. You basically add this thing with bot token and everything, something like this. Okay, path will be coming from the Telegram bot get file action, the one before this. That will basically give you something called get URL for the prediction. Now prediction is kind of a execution or run inside replicate. Okay, so in public connect you call everything as a history ID, right, or execution ID. Same way in replicate it is called prediction ID. Okay, so if you want to get the result of that prediction, you need to use this in the next steps, but sometimes it can take few seconds, more than 25 seconds, which is a timeout limit for public connect. That's why I have added a 2 minute of delay step, and then I am using get prediction URL, get prediction by ID action. And what you need to map, you need to map the prediction URL from the fifth step, right? And that will basically give you the whole text. Here you can see the key name output text is available like this. Now I am processing this text a little bit, text basic formatting and removing all the HTML tags, and at the end I want to reply it. So if you go here, you can see I am replying to that particular message in that particular chat, right? So that's the goal. And parse mode is HTML. I have already mapped everything, chat ID, message ID, and everything. And once you do save and send test request, you will get this kind of successful response, right? So yeah, this is the whole use case, that you can do OCR on the go via your Telegram channel. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to DM me or comment on the video in the Facebook group. You can also email me on fagon@integrationlab.in email ID. Till then, okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.